Okay guys, would like to show you what I'm working on right now. I'm trying to make a little bit nicer connection in terms of power management and cables. And as much as I love this military colored cables that I actually ordered specifically for this build, it's a little bit clashing with the color of CPU slots and doesn't look as nice. Really the best I think would be just use black, because it goes well with black nickel and white transparent tubing and everything, but I want some color anyways, so while black would be a nice choice, the two other options I considered. I have some of Predator colors. Pretty nice with silver, but the tone not exactly as I like. I also have just bright green, traditional bright green, which I think would be very close to what we have here. But I don't like flashy too much either. And I also developed as a backup some camouflage green cables, you can see here. So I thought maybe to use them as an option, you can see here. But in the end, I think that if I'm doing custom design anyway, so why not to create a mix of black and camouflage and see how it goes. So I'll mix those two colors and see if it will be looking nicer than I have right now. And this is basically what I'm into, trying to mix strictly black and my camouflage color. And I think that looks a little bit nice. Okay guys, just want to show you how I get closer to the looks which I'm after. If you remember, I have white cable here, bunch of red cables there, some general mess all over the place, and I didn't have hard drives, so I put 2 terabyte hard drives here, connected with another SATA cables and some power, which all black sleeved, as you can see. This white cable I fixed with using self-adhesive heat shrink that I cut along. Put it on, and when I heat it up, glue just gets stick to the cable, and I have a seam on the other side, so but you can't see anything anymore and it's less intrusive, exactly how I wanted. Here I use pre-sleeved extensions for I/O panel. I have only in black and some other colors, nothing in green, how I like, so I just use those cables here, and I think they look pretty good. This part I didn't fix. Could be being perfect, I could hide those cables as well, but I think it's fine. As you can see, I have all SATA cables. Instead of red, I have everything black. An entire connection from I/O panel, audio connector, and SATA goes through here, and it's hidden with a coil from BitsPower. This is my connector for audio video, and SATA, and this is my spool of cables going towards hard drives. And hard drive sitting on anti-vibration arrow system. And this close up on GPU area. So let's look on the other side. I'm not finished yet, but some improvements here as well. On the front, I put field port from BitsPower. Plug is silver, but probably will be black, or maybe I will camouflage it, because I don't really like the looks at this point, but I just wanted to fix the tube that coming from my reservoir, and so I have a kind of finished part of tubing at this point. And looking on the motherboard, you see I have the same type of sleeve job on extensions from motherboard power, and I have the same kind of thing for CPU power That's good in getting out of focus if I get too close, but I think you got the idea. So motherboard more or less fixed, and going on other side, you can see a bunch of screwdrivers on the floor that I fixed all my mess with cables, putting them in one bundle tied up with Velcro. I might put it even higher, closer to motherboard level, so you can't really see it. And all of a sudden I have everything looks pretty neat. I don't think you can get better job in totally empty case, because there's nowhere to hide any cables. So that's what's happening at this point. This connection I already showed you, so I'm trying to make it military looking, so to speak. And I can tell you guys, it's not like that silent, it's not passive computer, but when I move to my 800D case, the one that I have had built a while ago, this thing is damn loud, and it have only like 4 fans. So this one have 7 fans, barely can hear it, and I'm pretty sure when I will cover it with panels it will be even quieter. The only thing that I might still deciding, do I need any noise dampening mats anywhere, but that I will decide when I assemble the computer, because I never even had a chance to put everything together. And so far I was flipping this case like crazy, and somebody asked me if it's sturdy enough. It didn't break yet, and I put it on the side and this way and that way, and so far pretty good, even without side panels. So this case has some advantages, some serious disadvantages, and that we'll discuss when I'm completely finished. But right now, that's what I have.